Hi, I'm Gary West, Product Engineer at Taoglas, and today I'm excited to introduce the Comet Series, our ultra-compact, high-performance puck antennas designed for reliable connectivity in space-constrained or harsh environments. Supporting global 5G, 4G, GNSS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, Comet antennas deliver stable gain and high efficiency across the full 600 to 6000 MHz range, ensuring dependable performance where larger antennas can't be used. The MA32 series model offers magnetic and adhesive mounting, ideal for leased vehicles or mobile setups where non-permanent installation is a must. For fixed applications, the MA58 series provides a rugged bolt mount with IP67 protection, all in a sleek 18mm profile. Despite their small footprint, just 80 to 100mm wide, they're built tough with UV-resistant ASA housing and customizable low-loss cables and connectors. Whether for gateways, digital signage, security systems, or autonomous platforms, the Comet Series delivers flexible, future-ready connectivity without compromise. Reach out today to request samples or explore the ideal configuration for your application. Thanks for watching.